Hi everyone, this is Hunter from Easy Dashboard. Today I'm gonna show you what is a 60 model. The 60 model actually made up by 6 procedure when you're building up your interactive dashboard report. The first procedure is actually data input, your data source. What kind of data you're gonna put in the spreadsheet, and is that formatted data, is standard database data, and what kind of way you're gonna put in your model. The step the second step is actually we call dimension building. You based on your source data, so you decide what kind of dimension you're gonna build for your model, how many dimensions you will have, and what's the relationship between these dimensions. The third step is actually the cube. So based on the dimension, and you organize a couple of dimensions and doing a cube. So based on the cube, actually do a report. That report actually is a dynamic reflect the cube information. And then based on the report, you will go your actually dashboard report. And all this procedure, when you're doing it, you need to always keep one thing in your mind. It's always a good documentation. That's what we call 6D. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to look at here is look at the data source. We can have all kinds of data source, and it's up to you to convert this data source to a standard data source, standard database format. The second we're gonna do is actually we have a look at the dimension. We're gonna logically define how many dimension we got, and then based on dimension we create the cube. Look, there's a lot of information there, but these all standardized. It looks really cool, really nice, and based on that, we will actually building our report. Here the report. The report is based on the cube. When you got the report is dynamic report. When you got the dynamic report, of course you're gonna have a dynamic chart. So the last thing we're gonna do is the dashboard. The dashboard actually, as you can see from this screen, is all multi-dimension dynamic interactive dashboard. As you can see here from the spinner button, you click the spinner, as you can see, not only the report is changing, but also chart is changing because the chart reflects report. Okay, and then we click on another dimension like year to date, month to date, and this is gonna reflect the changing as well. So if you really want to know more about the 60 model, please log on to website easy-dashboard.com.au, or you send us inquiries through the email easy-dashboard@hotmail.com. Hopefully you enjoy your watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.